Okay, students, I am very much happy to take this topic today, and it is about arithmetic method in solving 2 by 2 games. Okay, arithmetic method to solve 2 by 2 game. The problem is given here. Okay, what's the problem is, now look at that problem. Payoff matrix for 2 by 2 game is given. Okay, you like this is game, G-A-M-E, game is given, and this is a payoff matrix, player A and player B, and these are the two strategies for the player A, and these are the two strategy for player B. Okay, right, these are the two strategies for player A, and these are two strategies for player B. Payoff matrix is given. That means 2 coming here, it implies player A should give 2 points to player B, has to give 2 points to player A. -1 implies this player has to give the points to this particular player B. Here 0 means no player can exchange the points. He need not to give any point to him, and him need not to give any point to this particular player. Okay, right, so this is what about 2 by 2 game given to us with the payoff. Our aim is to find out the solution. Solution means what? The percentage of first strategy A is using, and the percentage that player A is using for the second strategy, the fraction of the strategy player B is using, and the strategy for second, how much fraction is using here. So here player B we have to write, but actually it is not written there. So actually here player B has to come. Player B is given like this. Okay, now look at this thing. What we see here is that how we are getting these two number here, how we are getting this outside of the strategy A and outside of the strategy second strategy. Okay, now we are adding this number and subtract this number from this number. What will get? 3 you will get. That is 2 minus of 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3. That you should not write here, but you write here. Okay, that is this number you take, subtract this number. What is the total number? The total number you have to write here. Here you have to write. You should not take the sign into account. Okay, so you are getting 3 here. 2 minus of -1, 3. You don't write here, but write here. Now add these two, as I told just before. -1, subtract this from this, you will get -1, -0, you will get a -1. Don't take the sign, but you write 1 here. Okay, that is this number. Subtract this 1 -1 -0 -1, you will get that -1. You don't take the sign, so don't write here, but write here. Similarly for this column over, similarly for this row also. 2 minus of -1, 3. That 3 you should not write here, but you write here. Similarly -1 -0, -1 will come there, so don't take the sign. That one you are writing here. Okay, so that way we have to write the outside number. The strategies for A is 1, strategies for the number outside this is 3. Similarly the strategy for the player B is equal to 1 here. Strategies when he takes T, he will get 3 here. Now Now this is outside number, am I correct? Now how to find out the percentage here? Percentage of using of player A of the first strategy. Second strategy that the player A takes, what is the fraction he's using there. So how we are getting this? Now this one you are writing this one plus this 3, the denominator you are writing. So out of 4, 1 is the time that the player A is using the first strategy. Now come here, 3 times 1 by 1 plus 3. So out of 4, 3 times the player A using the second strategy. Okay, that is 0.75. The total comes 1. Therefore, the first player using the first strategy for 0.25 percentage, and first player second strategy is using 0.75. That is 75 percentage, or 3 by 4, 1 by 4, like that. Similarly here for the player B. Okay, the total chance is 4. Out of 4, how many chances for the first strategy? 1. So 1 into 1 by 1 plus 3. We are getting 0.25. Now come here, we will get 3 times divided by the total of these two, 1 plus 3. So 0.75. 0.75. So player B using the first strategy 1 by 4 times, and the second strategy 3 by 4 times. If I add both of them, you will get 1. So this is the way we can find out how the players are using the fractions. Okay, now coming to here, what is the value of the game when player A choosing the first strategy? This is like expectation. This 1 into 2, this 3 into minus 1, this 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1, 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1, 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1, divided by this 1 plus 3, the 1 plus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, the chance is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So the value of the game when the player A chooses the first strategy is minus 1 by 4. Similarly, when A not to B, when A plays T, so when A plays T 3 into 0, so it's not a B there. Okay, now take this option, and here it is not the case A, it is A. Yes, now when A takes T, the second strategy, what is the value of the game? The value of the game, again like expectation, we have to find out. Expectation, what we will do, 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0, 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0, 3 into 0, divided by 1 plus 3, divided by this 1 plus 3, you will get again minus 1 by 4. So like that, the value of the game when A takes the second strategy, then the value of the game is equal to minus 1 by 4. So like that, if 2 by 2 matrix given, we can solve it by arithmetic method of solving 2 by 2 matrix. So thank you very much.